You are watching Subtidal News. We take you below the surface. Here is your host, Fishy Reef.
We have some great stories for you today from the center of Anna Maria Island, where many reef researchers and neighborhoods recently gathered together. Every community in our area is invited to collaborate in a sea life resurrection by sharing what we all are learning.
The Mini Reef project on the island has been in sort of a germination phase where we've taken the mini reefs, almost 200 that we have out in the water now, and we're studying them and thinking about what next as far as the phase. We're really excited to be working, hopefully in collaboration with Venice, with Siesta, probably Englewood, and we're hoping to pull together some sort of not only our own, and I say our own, we're working directly with Eckerd College, who's doing the research on the island, but also a collaborative one where we will try to pull together some of the data that we've collected separately but same, so that it can be used to draw some conclusions about mini reefs in general.
In future episodes, watch our 1 year after launch colonization count, your questions answered by the mini reef designer, comments from the Sarasota Board of County Commissioners, water quality updates by our field team, and more stories from below the surface.
You have been watching Subtidal News. Join us again, where our stories are out of sight.